In this demonstration I'm going to show you how to do a basic button animation with Openspace. I'm using Openspace Portable 1.93.1. So I'm opening up my scene, I'm adding, so right click, and I'm going to add from the interfaces. I'm going to add a button. I'm going to make the button the picture. Now what I've done with this picture, as you'll see, it's that one there. No, it's not that one there. Okay, is I've edited the image so there are 4 positions in a single image, so it's a 4-frame image. Now in the J834 you get no marks for making changes to the image, but again you don't lose any marks for doing it. It's not a problem, and the task is to animate something, and this is the way that this software animates, so it's within the rules of this software. So I'm opening it. I've told it it's got 4 frames. I'm going to set the size of it to be 100 by 100 because it's a fairly square image, and I'll just put it in the top left. So top a line, left a line, and I'm going to press OK. So now when I preview it, I should get my animated sun. So there's our first example of how to animate. Good one about this version is that is a button, so we can do something with it, and it also supports transparent backgrounds, so we can place it nicely anywhere on the screen. If you found this useful, feel free to buy me a coffee.